and welcome back to my channel Learn with US.so. Here we have taken a sum on projection of planes. The question says a regular pentagon of 30 mm side is resting on the horizontal plane on one of its side while its opposite vertex is 30 mm above the horizontal plane. Draw the projection when the side in the horizontal plane is 30° inclined to the vertical plane. Now according to the question, first we will draw a horizontal straight line. So the upper plane will denote the vertical plane and the bottom one will be the horizontal plane. So the upper plane will denote the vertical plane and the bottom one will be the horizontal plane. So upper one is basically the front view and bottom one is the top view. After drawing the axis, we will first draw the pentagon. Now to draw the pentagon. Now as the pentagon of 30 mm side is resting on horizontal plane, so it is horizontally placed on the horizontal plane. So from the top view this will look like a pentagon. So first I have marked a line here. We will be drawing the top FEW. So first I have drawn this of side 30 mm. Now from the end I will draw angle. As you know, the angle of the pentagon is 108 degrees. So from this end first I have marked a point at the degrees of 108 degrees. To that point I will draw a light line from this end. Also I will take an angle of 108 degrees, mark a point, draw a line from here also as you want to mark a pentagon with side 30 mm on compass. I will take this distance of 30 mm, keep it on this end, curtain arc this end, curtain arc as you want to make a regular pentagon. All sides should be 30 mm from this end, curtain arc at the center. From this end, intersect the arc. Now join these lines dark and the pentagon is ready. A regular pentagon with side. All sides are equal and the side given is 30 mm. So this is the top view of the pentagon as it is resting on the horizontal plane. From top it will look like a pentagon. So this is how it will be in the horizontal plane. It will be flat. It will be resting. I will give the names to the sides as A, B, C, D. I will take the projections upward to the horizontal plane from the horizontal plane. Now in the vertical plane in the front view, it will look like a straight line as it is resting on the horizontal plane. Its front view will be a straight line. Now at this point, according to this is a dash B dash. This will be E dash dash and it will be D dash. After drawing this, now one of its vertex is about 30 mm. To this height is 30 mm above. So point D will be upwards at a height of 30. So first I will take the projections from here. On this side, on the right side, take the point projection of the pentagon to the right. So our first step is done. Now the second step, then one of its corner is about 30 mm. So D is above 30 mm. So this will be the point AB. You can mark it anywhere. So this is A, B will be on the base. So this is A and B will be on the base. And B is upwards at a height of 30 mm. Now, first I'll mark a line 30 mm above. So from the front view it will be inclined and above 30. So this is 30 mm above. I have marked a point. I will draw a parallel line through it. A small line is enough. Now this height is 30. I will take this distance as the point is above 30. So from here I'll cut an arc on that 30 line. And draw a dark line. So in this line I have placed it here and the D is about 30 from the horizontal plane. The projections downwards. Mark the C dash dash point distance on that line. So I'm taking this distance here but an arc. So this will be E dash dash. And this will be a dash B dash. The projections downward from those points also from the top to the pentagon, which will be a bit smaller as it is inclined in the front view. So this point does join the pentagon points from the projections we have already taken. So this is how the pentagon will be when its vertex is above 30 mm. So this point, this E and the E from the front view. This will be C1. This will be D1. This will be even. Now we are done with this step. This height is 30 mm. I just mark it here. Next step, I'll take the projections of this line. The inclined line on the right side. as you want to do the third step. That is, you have to draw the projection when the side in horizontal plane is 30° inclined to the vertical plane. So the horizontal plane is inclined to the vertical plane. So from any point on the right side, I will draw an angle of 30° on the bottom side. So this angle is 30° in C, and from that I will draw a line. So horizontal plane is 30° inclined to the vertical plane. Now the same pentagon, we have to draw it here. You have to place this pentagon here. So I will take the dimension. It has to be dash. Keep it at any point here on this line and cut an arc. So this inclined pentagon, we have to draw it here. So this will be the dash. This will be B dash. Just we are drawing at an incline of 30°. Make this dark. Now we have to mark this lines. I will draw a perpendicular line from here. From both these ends. You can draw the perpendicular line. So one line I have drawn perpendicular. And then I will draw parallel lines through it. I am marking this distance. This will be just at the center. So first I will mark the center point. To the center point. I will mark this line here and draw parallel lines through those also and through the center also. So taking this as the reference line, drawing parallel lines. We just have to place the pentagon on the top view here. So this distance I have marked and marking this distance. So we completed this question. Thank you for watching.